In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access documents and folders in DocuSign CLM using our full 2025 guide. Whether you're new to DocuSign CLM or just looking to optimize your document management process, these steps will guide you through every detail. To begin, navigate to your DocuSign CLM portal. This is typically found at an address like your company name.docusignclm.com. Once there, log in using your preferred method, be it SSO, Microsoft, or your DocuSign account credentials. After logging in, you'll land on the CLM dashboard. From here, you want to access the repository. This can be done by clicking either the repository or documents link in the left-hand navigation menu. This section is your central hub for all things related to your contracts and supporting documents. With access to the repository, the next step is to browse or search for the specific documents you need. Use the search bar to input relevant keywords such as contract titles or metadata details like a vendor's name or contract ID. Filters are also your friend here, helping you narrow results by date, status, or contract type. If you frequently access certain documents, saved views, either pre-built or customized, are a handy tool to streamline everything further. In the repository view, you'll see a folder structure on the left. This structure helps you to find and access folders easily. Click on any folder that interests you, such as employment agreements, vendor contracts, or NDAs. Within these folders, you'll often find subfolders or individual contracts arranged neatly. Once you've found a document, simply click its name to open it. Here you can view the latest signed version of the document, download it as a PDF or Word file, and review essential metadata such as effective date, renewal terms, and parties involved. The audit trail feature is also invaluable, giving you a comprehensive record of who viewed, edited, or approved the contract. Now, depending on your user permissions, you'll have several document action options. You can check out a document for editing, upload a new version to replace an old draft, while keeping its history, send a document for review or signature, or move and copy documents to different folders for optimal organization. Speaking of organization, creating new folders can greatly enhance your workflow. Simply click New Folder to categorize contracts by department, project, or client. Use the drag and drop feature to move documents into these folders, ensuring a cleaner storage solution. Administrative users also have the power to set access restrictions, maintaining security and confidentiality. Tracking key dates is essential in document management. Inside each document view, you can monitor renewal dates, expiration alerts, and approval workflow statuses. The version history is also accessible to help track changes over time. Staying on top of these aspects ensures you'll always be proactive with your contract obligations. So that's how you access and manage documents and folders in DocuSign CLM. By following these steps, you'll streamline document access and take control of your contract management process.